company very much in the spotlight for some time. It's Waaree Renewable Technologies. So what do they exactly do? I think that's the first thing we need to be looking at, right, before we get into the company. It's mentioned here, Waaree Renewables is engaged in the business of generation of power through renewable energy sources and also provides consultancy services in this regard. Waaree Energy is one of the largest vertically integrated new energy companies. It has India's largest solar panel manufacturing capacity of 12 gigawatt at its plants in Chikli, Surat and Umbirgaon in Gujarat. Right, so that's a little bit about it. Now let's look at a bit of the detail. Right, so this is the website of Waaree Renewables. We've already mentioned what they do. So these are the kind of solar businesses they do. One is ground-mounted solar business, solar rooftop businesses, and of course floating solar. So these are the type of solar businesses that Waaree Renewables does. So they have done a project in Vietnam, which is 49.5 megawatts. And let's just have a look at some of the projects that they've done, right? Just move towards the project side, and here we are. So there's a 210 megawatt in Masaya Solar, 140 megawatt Continuum Green Energy, 100 megawatt Waneep Solar Private Limited, right? So 51 megawatt Renew Power, 51 megawatts Song Yang Solar Power at Vietnam. So these are all the projects that they have done. So this is a pretty big company. So right now, solar power stocks are in the boom, and they will be in the boom for the next 4 to 5 years at least. Now let's just have a look at the fundamentals of this company, Waaree Renewables, right now. The market cap, it's pretty big. It's 20,664 crores. PE is not good, 140. Generally, the solar power companies, PE is around 35. So it gives you an idea. It's 4 times more than what it is. So it gives you an idea. What does it give you an idea? This company is a little bit overvalued, is it? Now the ROC, what is that? It's astonishing, 103%. Generally, an ROC of 20% itself is a good sign of a company in a good financial state. So this is 5 times more than that. And what is the ROE? The ROE is again crazy good, 93.3%. Generally, ROE should be between 15 and 25%. So what does that give you an idea? This company is doing really well right now. Now, current price is 1,984 rupees. Book value 22 rupees, which is very low when compared to the current price, right? Dividend yield 0.01%. That's hardly anything at all. So it's negligible. Face value rupees 2. Now look at the high, 3,038 rupees. And what was the low? It's astonishing. Just 157 rupees, right? Just imagine that, from 157 rupees to 3,000 rupees. That's like a huge amount of profit, right? That's 20 times the amount, which is almost unheard of, right? Now let's look at the stock history. This is something I urge everybody to do. Never ever buy a stock without first understanding or studying about its history. It opened up in the year 2012. What was the price? There's 2 rupees 82 paise. And you can see this flat line. Flat line, flat line, flat line. For how many years? It remained like that, below 6 rupees, right? Till Feb of 2021, right? It was below 6 rupees. But you can see from Feb of 2021, there's been a steady climb. And it went up, all the way to 71 rupees in Jan of 2022, which is a big, huge difference, right? Most people would consider that as a very big difference. Now just look what happens after that. From Jan of 2022, it had again started a climb and went all the way up to 266 rupees in July of 2023, right? Massive, right? Massive amount, right? Then have a look at it from here, July of 2023 till November of 2023, it was a slight move up, not much, just a little bit more. But here is where a real climb took place from November of 2023 all the way till May of 2024. It went all the way up to 2007. It actually went up to 3,038 rupees. Now that is huge. That is just huge, right? More than 10 times the amount within a period of a few months, right? That's just humongous. It's almost unheard of. And to be very honest, too good to be true. But then you can see these big lines over here, right? These are big players putting in a lot of money. So there's a lot of interest shown in this stock. One of the main reasons behind that is it's because it is a solar power stock. But now look at the story. It's become Mount Everest. Now from Mount Everest, again, we are coming down. From 3,000 rupees, it's come down now to today's price of 1,984 rupees. Now let's have an understanding of how it went up. It just didn't go up like that, didn't it? Let's look at the financials. I urge everybody to look at financials before buying any company shares. Now have a look at this. Does this look impressive at all? Not at all. And they've only displayed financials from March of 2018. They didn't make anything in March of 2018. 2019, again a loss, -2 crores. 2020, again a loss, -3 crores. March of 2021, again a loss, -2 crores. Now, look what happened the next year, March of 2022, 9 crores. So that explains, right, in 2021 why the price of the stock went up. It was a flat line, and where it went up because the quarters were good and everything put together, the financial year landed up giving them a profit of 9 crores, which is massive when compared to the previous year, right? And this again being a solar power stock, anyone would be interested in buying it, right? And it doesn't stop there. From March of 2020 to March of 2020, look at the difference, 55 crore rupees the next year. That's more than 6 times the amount, the very next financial year, right? And then again, March of 2023 to March of 2024, 3 times of 2020, 148 crores. So this clearly explains, right, how the price of the stock went up so much, right, at a specific moment of time. Now let's have a look at a few more things. The liabilities of the company are 714 crores, which is quite a bit. The reserves are 211, which is not bad. But then let's look at the most important facet over here, which is the promoter holding. See, it is maintained 74.4% in March of 2024. Now, June of 2021, it was again the same 74.5%. A 0.05% is almost negligible. I don't think you need to even look at that. The FIIs is 0.20, the DIIs again is 0.01. Public have 25% of stake in the company. Now have a look at this. There were only 2,500 shareholders in June of 2021. Just have a look at it. It was going up, but steadily. All the way till December 2023, there were around 29,000, which is a big amount, more than 10 times the amount, right? Within a period of how many years? 2 years and a few months. Now see this, from December of 2023 to March of 2024, 29,000, roughly say 29,000 to 86,400. Now that is a massive climb, right? What does that give you an idea? It gives you an idea that a lot of people are putting their money into this stock. Now, the obvious question that would come up now is, should I invest in this company right now? Now, let me make it very clear. You cannot buy this company stock through NSE. You have to buy it through BSE. BSE is only providing this as of now, right? And at the current valuation of 1,984, it's about a little more than 1,000 rupees less than its 52-week high. Is it the right time to buy? No, not at all, because I will just show you something right now. The price of the stock is further gone down by 100 rupees today again. So it's a 5% decline again, and it's been declining for the past few days, right? See, what's happening right now is there is a little bit of volatility in the stock market. There's a volatility going on right now, and it's going to keep going on till June the 4th because the election results will be out by then. See, I cannot predict what the price of the stock will be by then. It will probably go down even more further, probably 1,200, 1,300, probably somewhere over there. That could be the price at which the stock may be available. Now, at that price, is it a good time to buy the stock? To be very honest, I don't really think so, because this stock has rallied up very quickly at an unusual speed, right? So this could be also a game of operators playing over here. I cannot confirm it, but be careful when you invest in this company right now. If you're in an idea of buying stocks in this company right now, my sincere advice is not to invest right now 1,984 rupees. Probably wait until it comes down to, if it does then again I can't guarantee this. Come down to maybe 1,000 rupees or maybe even less than that, and watch and see. Because one thing is there, this company is making continuous progress in terms of profit, right? They're making more and more profit every day, year, sorry. So as the company keeps making more and more profit, I don't see there being any reason why you shouldn't be investing in the company at the same time. But buying the company at the right price is really, really important, right? You should not just invest into a company and then just see the price of the stock go down tremendously and then you feel bad about it. I don't think you should be doing that. So wait till June the 4th and see what happens. If our current government happens to still rule the country, there's a possibility that this price of the stock will go up because this is part of their development portfolio. So this will definitely go up. But if they happen to lose it, then there's a high possibility that the price of the stock may go down tremendously. But that is an advantage. If it goes down tremendously, you can get this stock at a very, very good price. So my sincere advice right now is to hold for some time, wait till June the 4th or wait for a little bit more while and see if it is worthwhile investing into this company, because this is a solar power company at the end of the day. And solar power, as I already mentioned previously, will be in the forefront for the next 4 to 5 years at least, because it's really growing at that kind of speed at the moment. So think wisely before you invest into this company. Financially, there seems to be no problem whatsoever as of now, but wait a little bit more while, and then if you can get it for 1,000 rupees, a little bit less than that, if you can get it at that price, then think about investing a marginal amount of shares, not a huge amount of shares, right? So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you all liked the video. If you all liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you all can give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to be notified with the latest and greatest updates I have. So that's it for me. Take care and have a great day ahead.